Okay, welcome back to the next episode in which we are building a secure chat system. On this tutorial, we are going to, I need to render an apology. It's been long since I posted a video, so I've been waiting for long. It's not that I've cancelled the series, but I was quite busy doing other stuff. So I traveled to different places which I wasn't with my machine, as my PC, so I couldn't continue with it. So now, we are going to do now is we are going to instead of just outputting the user out there, and let me start. Okay, let me start the postman for that. It won't cause any delay. So now, okay, it's starting. So instead of outputting the user information just out there, what we are going to do is we are going to, well, let it come over here when we input the user. Let me go to the terminal and let me get one the application. And if I want the application, and you can see the previous data stuff exists. So okay, we don't want to echo the user information like this one. So what we really want to do is to be able to get the user information, and encode it into an encrypted output, that is JWT, JSON Web Token. So I will cancel the server now, and now we're going to use the package from a certain developer. So you go get, and it is from GitHub. So we just say github.com slash, and the name of that person is Pascal deploy slash JWT. And now we are having it over here. We haven't used it that way with that red color. So what I can do is come to this side, and after checking, then I'm going to create a variable, and that variable is going to be claim, and that is going to be JWT dot claim like this. And for JWT dot claim, what we are going to use the claim for, just first get the subject. The subject is going to be the user dot ID, just like this. So user dot ID, and I think we are using an int for the one. So in order to just convert it to string by this one, so I'll just say user dot ID, just like that. Not string, it's string. Okay. So, and the next one is the claim dot issue, and now for that we are going to use JWT dot numeric time, and that is going to be time dot now, just like that. And the next one is we are going to set an expiry. So its expiry is going to be JWT dot and the same new time, and now we are going to make it time dot now dot add. So we are going to add, and that is going to be time dot r, and the r we are going to multiply it by 24, that is 1 day, and another 30, making it 30 days. So after 30 days it won't be, and we just want to keep 1 million so that we can get testing and testing and testing without going back to login and so on. That's why I make it all that one. You can keep it 1 hour, you can keep it based on the particular application that you are building. So for now, the next one that we are going to do is we are going to use the claim and get audience, and the audience is an array of strings. So array of strings, and in order to let this, I will just make it go here chart up, just like that, and claim. I will just make another claim with the issuer. So the issuer is going to be I'll make it Softy White College like this, and another claim dot not before, and that is going to be JWT dot new time, so not before now. Okay, so that's it, and now we are going to get the token. So the token is going to be, so I will just get it an error, handle the error from there, and here we are going to use the claim dot h mark time, and we are going to use JWT dot h 258, and we are going to have a byte of a string that is now I'm going to call it secret, just like that. So in the secret key, that only that one can decrypt it for us to have all the values that we input. So that's it, and I will check for the error. So if error is not equal to nil, then there was an error. So I'm just going to say API dot server error response, and we are going to have the error to be echoed out. No problem. Keep it like this, and we will return from there if there is an error. If not, now we are not going to put the user, but we are going to input the token, which it is going to be, this one is just a byte. So I'm going to have a string conversion of the token, just like that. Now, and I think, okay, so we are using FMT express, that is string print in place of the string, because this one deals more with bytes and so on. So now let's go back, let's run the server, and after running the server, let's go back and now log in again, and you can see when we log in, we have this encoding. And so this is the token that we are going to use to log in whenever we want to log in. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and we meet in the next tutorial in which we are going to build a middleware for the authentication.